In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Google Sheets as a PDF. This is perfect when you want to turn live, editable data into a professional, non-editable document you can confidently share. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along without any guesswork. Start in your Google Sheet with the data you want to share. When you're ready, go to the top menu and choose File. Then hover over Download and select PDF, .pdf. That one click takes your sheet from an editable format into a polished document format. After you select PDF, you'll see the print settings screen. Think of this as your preview and formatting checkpoint. You'll see how your sheet will look when it becomes a PDF, and you'll have a few key options to make it look clean and professional. First, look for the scale option. This controls how your sheet fits on the page. A reliable choice is Fit to Width. It makes the columns scale so they don't spill off the page, keeping everything readable and aligned. If your sheet is very wide, Fit to Width helps avoid tiny text while still capturing all your columns. You'll see the preview update instantly so you can judge whether the result feels clear and balanced. Next, check orientation. You can choose portrait or landscape. If your sheet has many columns across, landscape is often the better choice because it gives you more horizontal space. If your sheet is tall with fewer columns, portrait keeps it compact and easy to read. Again, watch the live preview to confirm the layout looks the way you want. Take a moment to scan the preview before you export. Ensure column headers are visible, totals are included, and nothing important is being cut off. These quick checks can make the difference between a messy export and a document that looks intentionally designed. When you're happy with how it looks, go to the top right corner and click the Export button. Google Sheets will package everything up and start the download. You'll see the PDF appear in your browser's Downloads area, and it will also be saved to your computer's default Downloads folder. That's it. You've turned your live spreadsheet into a crisp, non-editable PDF that's easy to email, attach to reports, or share with stakeholders. Keep your original Google Sheet for edits and updates, and use the PDF when consistency and presentation matter. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to save Google Sheets as a PDF with confidence.